Alrighty, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today worked on another giant wire pull with Steven, another journeyman, and an apprentice. So there's 4 of us. But we started out at the C, and then after we were done, we backfed it like 70 feet through this box, and then it 90s down and 90s up, back onto the rack. Goes down the hallway a little bit, drops down into this box here on the left. I'm not sure what all these boxes are for, maybe just because I have no idea. Anyways, there's a bunch of boxes. So we pulled it through these boxes. One of the circuits drops off here, I believe. So that got tied in there. These boxes that have the covers on are finished and made up, grounded, and all that good stuff. So went ahead and coworker got that finished, and then this one over here is the end of the line where we pulled the home run to, which is the second box on the right with the red tape. The wire was a little bit long, so we had a little bit extra wire, so we cut it short, relabeled it. But anyways, from the C at 90s to the west, down this hallway into the emergency room, where there is a 12 by 12 J box, and this was kind of the pull point, kind of from 2 different directions. So coworker was in there, so I grabbed a quick little video to show you guys. I was on containment cart watch to make sure no people on stretchers or beds came through, that we were in their way. If that was the case, then I would let them know and we'd quickly move it. Anyways, the pipe goes down this way to the north, comes through the back side of the wall right here into the other remodel treatment area that we're working on. I haven't really been in here very much, so that's why you haven't really seen it. But 90's down, and this bunch of wire is what is left of our home run, which is going to go into this panel right here to the left. This first panel on the left, WPCL 2023. So that's what that last 50 feet is for. It's going to go down in there, land in there. And then the home run that was worked on yesterday or the day before, I believe, I can't remember, goes into this panel right here, WPLL 2841. Each panel has like a specific label which identifies what part of the building, what floor it's on, what kind of panel it is. But anyways, circuit 22 is up here in this wire bundle at the top behind these pipes, and that is what I worked on today. Yesterday or the day before, like I said, the home run was pulled into this box. Today I went ahead and finished off the circuit down the corridor. So this box right here goes out to the left, which you will see the back of it here. The box mounted on the back side of the wall here momentarily. But this is the left end, so it tees off. This is the left box on the end. The left box right here with the blue tape goes here. Here's the box I was telling you, 90s into the, or it goes straight into the back of that. So on the other side of the wall, that's the box I was telling you about. And then it tees off to the right as well. And it hits like 4 different boxes, which these boxes are going to be used eventually for the corridor / hallway lighting. So we're going to mount lights later, and then we're going to add the lighting whips into here and basically make up, it's going to be the lighting J boxes. So anyways, got all the wire pulled through here, pulled some loops. So for now, I just left all the loops and stuffed them back into the box, unspliced, and then just spliced the grounds through. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. You've never seen this view before, but this is the other side of my bed. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.